You are so easy to be around, which is really nice.
Thank you.
We're in it.
We're in it.
Right now.
I'm starting to get nervous that it's going so good. I don't want to jinx it. Stop.
My queen.
I don't deserve
There you go.
I was just very, like, awkward with us in the bed last night. He was over there and I was over here like this. Yeah.
I mean,
I get it. I can't blame him because he said he was hurt about it, and obviously
I'd be hurt too. Is that Aaron and Kayla on the sunbeds?
Yeah. They're having a fight again.
What could they possibly fight about today?
Yeah, I don't know.
She kissed Connor. She didn't like it. She kissed Akeen. She didn't like it. It's like, how many people are gonna kiss before you realise?
Oh. I got a 10! Oh my God! Okay. Islanders, it's time to undress to impress.
What do you mean? You literally wear nothing all day anyway. Bro, what are you doing?
Trying to stretch little man out.
That's a bombshell.
Hello, Islanders!
Thank you.
I'm here to party! Yeah. I brought presents!
Scared.
I don't think I'm gonna have to do much to turn these boys' heads. I know what I want, and I get what I want. Girls, you better watch out.
Boys!
Aaron, what do we see?
They look like absolute weapons of mass destruction.
What a way to meet for the first time.